Okay, so we're old now and we can't do the stuff that we used to do, but we ought to do as much of it as we can. So I have some thoughts for you if you'd like to do some pull-ups. Here's the problem. The problem is if I reach up on any pull-up machine and I do an overhand grip like that and I do one single pull-up, I mean just a simple one little pull-up, I will mess up my elbows for the rest of my damn life. So that's not a thing for me. I still though would like to be doing some pull-ups. Well, here's the secret. The secret is the neutral grip, okay? And you've got a couple different options with your neutral grip. I have to be a palms facing me neutral grip, and some of you are gonna be palms facing away neutral. It just puts your hands from here, right, to there. So much more comfortable and so much less strenuous on your elbows. So if you can find a neutral grip, you might still be able to do pull-ups in a way that doesn't give you all that pain. Just a little tip.